Hello! And welcome to Summaries. We're your humble hosts, Devin
and Katie.
And we're here to help you learn about
iguanas.
Based on our exploration of the heritage of the Galapagos iguanas, we know that the South American green iguanas were carried to the Galapagos Islands by some form of raft. This raft may have consisted of a material like driftwood, pumice, or vegetation.
As these green iguanas migrated for millions of years, the iguanas began to evolve in response to their new environments. Random mutations allowed new features to be introduced to the iguana populations and eventually led to the divergence of 2 and eventually 3 species of iguanas, starting around 8 to 10 million years ago.
New species emerged because of natural selection pressures, so only organisms with adaptations best suited to their environments were able to survive and reproduce, which, over time, resulted in the emergence of new species. Around 8 to 10 million years ago, the land iguanas evolved to survive inland on the islands of the Galapagos, and the marine iguanas had evolved to inhabit the land near the ocean. Then, about 5.7 million years ago, the pink iguanas emerged from the land iguanas.
We can keep track of the iguana heritage on a phylogenetic tree. These trees help us to track when species differentiated from each other. While we can chart their speciation with the phylogenetic tree, we are also able to see the different physical features that make these 3 unique iguana species.
Let's take a look at some of their features. The marine iguanas live on the dark, rocky shores of the Galapagos, so only the darker marine iguanas survived since they could blend into their environment until, eventually, all the marine iguanas were a dark black color. They also have salt spouts to get rid of excess salt after being in the ocean, and their tails are flatter so that they can swim better.
On the other end of the spectrum, land iguanas have bright yellow scales that allow them to blend into the landscape inland on the island. They have also developed enzymes in their stomach in order to digest bugs so they could get enough nutrients to survive.
We hope that this summary was helpful.
If you want to learn more, you can go back to the iguana module to learn.
Carlos and Adrian would love to have you along. We'll see you soon.